Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very popular snack from the Udupi and Mangalore region, that is Chattambade, or you can also call it as Masala Vada, that is made using Chana Dal. So let's begin with the recipe. For this you will need 1 cup of Chana Dal or split chickpea lentils. I have used 1 cup in 250 ml cup. Wash it well and soak it for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dal is completely soaked. Now drain the excess water and strain the dal using a strainer. Make sure you remove all the excess water. Now transfer the soaked dal into a blender jar. Add some salt to taste. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, a big pinch of asafoetida or hing, 2 dry red badge chilies. Now grind this into a coarse powder without using any water. Now you can see it has some dal which is still intact, and this is the proper consistency. Do not make it into a fine paste. Add half medium-sized onion, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, ginger 1 teaspoon chopped, and 1 green chili. Coriander leaves 2 tablespoons finely chopped. Mix everything well. Grease your hands with some oil and take small portion of the batter and make tiny balls, and then press and flatten it into disc like shape. Make it as thin as possible. Meanwhile, heat some oil for deep frying. To check the temperature of the oil, just drop in some batter. It should rise quickly and not turn brown. Now it's time to add the chattambades into the hot oil. Add 2 to 3 chattambades at a time. Just wait for 2 minutes before you flip it, so that you do not break them. Fry these vadas on medium flame until it turns golden and crispy on both sides. Once it's ready, transfer it to a paper towel. Fry all the vadas in batches, and now it's ready to serve. You can serve it with any type of coconut based chutneys. These vadas can be served as a tea time snacks, especially during the rainy season. If you enjoyed watching this video, do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.